Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Hoodie Cooking. Today on Hoodie Cooking, we will be making...
We interrupt this broadcast for some breaking news. It seems as though people who've been enjoying food and drink with the popular pumpkin spice have been turning into pumpkins. These changes are effective immediately as soon as you ingest the pumpkin spice. And as far as we know, there is no cure. Here, we have some photos of a poor soul who ingested pumpkin spice. This is before. Look at him. Just an average Joe enjoying life. But then, he ate some pumpkin spice. Now look at him. He's not enjoying life anymore. He's more of an average Jack. So I highly encourage anyone and everyone to not partake in the consumption of pumpkin spice products. This is Jack the Human reporting from Halloween News Network.
There you go guys, that's how you make ramen noodles. I will see you guys later.